Good afternoon, Mr. and Mrs. Lewis. It's Nico from Cliff Jones RV and Sealy. I'm here with this technician, Raul, and he's going to be showing you all about your RV.
Okay, show you right here. Okay, right here is how you check your holding tanks. You can hold it right here, push it, and you see the battery. All the way is full. This fresh water tank, I got it empty. I got a little bit on it. So I can check it for no leaks and making sure the water heater works and the faucet. This is your black water tank is empty. The black water tank is for the toilet. Gray water is the sink and the shower. It's empty. Right here, this switch is for the water pump. If you're not hooked up with the city water, you need the pump on. If you hooked up with the city water, turn it off. And this is your water heater and gas. You work in gas and electric. This is right here is for gas only. You see the light right here, make sure no light. As soon as the water heater come on, the lights will be off. So checking this light, make sure it's not on. See that the lights go off. So your water heater is working. This is only gas. This right here is for the awning light. You can see your awning lights come on. Okay.
It's for the outside light, right?
Yeah, this is, you got another side when you go dump it, it's got one light. This is right here the switch. This is for the awning. You say exit. So exit is to open it. Making sure you close the door. Push and hold it. Okay, when you see the fabric hanger right there, stop. Okay, it's only way down. And this is retract to close your awning. Push and hold it. Okay, let it go. It's all the way in. What else? You just stop right here. You got light right here. You need to make it sure the light is on to light it. You push and hold it, turn it, and you see the light come on. And that one right here, push it in and turn it, and you see the light that it come on. Okay, but you need to have this on, because if you don't have it on, you don't go and light it. So make sure you got it on. Okay, this is a light for the stove right here. This is a fan when you're cooking. Yeah, this one. Okay, your microwave. Okay, this is your fridge right here. This lock right here. So you open it, and you can see right here the controller right here is off. So you get in and cool, and leave it cool right there. It's got the switch. Okay, so when you're when you don't use your unit, turn it off. This is all position right there. If you move your trailer, make sure either one ledge. Okay. This is a breaker box and fuses. The top one is for the main. I'll show you right here. The AC, GFI, microwave, the water heater. What is it?
Converter.
Converter.
Water heater.
And water heater.
The other one's reefer.
Okay, this is a water heater, converter, refrigerator, microwave. This is GFI, AC, and the main. And this right here, 12-volt fuses. If you see one light is not working, come and check and see the fuses. When the fuse is out, it's got a little red light right there and it show you the fuse is out. So you see the light right there because I'll take it off. Let me put it back on. So before if one light is not working, check your fuses right here. And you know how it is when you see a red light is out. Okay, close it. This your battery disconnected. This off. When you take the key out, this off. You put the key in, push it, and turn it. Okay, but if you don't use your unit, it's better turn it off. Okay. It's your shower. Right here, you spray it. And the toilet. It's a foot flush right here. You got your fan right here. You open it and turn it on. Turn it off and close it. It's the light right here. You turn it off right here. You push it. Okay, this is ready right here. It's a power switch right here. You go to mode. Well, anyhow, the value right here. And the speakers, you gotta choose the speakers, 2 inside and 2 outside. Song 1 is outside. Look and see the play. It's on? Okay. So song 1 is outside speaker. You know what the outside speaker? Turn it off. And song 2 is inside. Okay. It's off right now. Okay. This is the thermostat for the furnace for the heater. You turn it right here on, and we come on. It's right here. Okay. Your AC, you see right here. This high and cold, low and cold, high fan, low and fan, medium, low, it's low. It's low fan and it's off. So when you turn it on, you go all the way to the high cool. Okay. This is your table. You can make your bed right here. You take it out, pull it out. You lay down right here. Put your cushions. So another bed right here. Okay. You got a lot of storage right here. This is you raise the bed. It's a lot of storage right there. This is your 30 amp power cord. Right here. And this is a tool to you put the jacks down. You got 4 jacks, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. It's more easy if you get it 3/4 socket and power drill. It's more easy to put it down. Pull it down. Okay, let me. Cabinet. Okay, this is a bracket for your TV. If you want a TV, you need to take that one with you to buy the TV. Make sure to fit in the TV. And this goes right there. And this hooked out your antenna right here. And this is for audio. So you can, is it DVD? No?
Yeah, it's HDMI.
Yeah, so you can use that one and you can watch your movies right there. Okay? Mini blinds, pull it down, close it. The lights. Okay. What else right here, Nico?
Voltage meter.
Yeah, you can see right here for the battery. It shows you right here 13.6. So it's your battery. Probably when I unhook it, it will show you 12.8 or 0.6. So you know your battery is good. Your faucet. You need to put this. You need to put like that and open it. This hot and this cold. Okay. Don't forget to when you use your stove, put it down. Okay. And I don't know that much.
The hotspot. This is ready for a 4G hotspot, so you can go to store.lci1.com and it mounts there if you'd like to purchase one.
Yeah. Okay, so he's going outside. Okay, you can see your steps right here, but really is looking nice, but really I don't like it. I should go tell you why. See, making sure this is, when you put it down, this is against to the frame. Because if you don't have it this touch to the frame, you got it like that, it go hit the bottom of the door, it go broke it. So in that case, you got the legs right here. You can take this out and adjust your legs. Oh, come on. You
raise it right here, pull it out. It's too high, right? Yeah, it's too high, so it's going right there. Let's go test the door.
See? Okay, so be careful in the steps. Now you want to close it. Raise it up. Slack it. And all the time making sure this bed right here is like that. Because if you have it like that, when you close the door, you go hit. You go damage the door. So making sure it's like that. Close it. Right here. You raise it up and turn it this way. Okay. You got the refrigerator outside. It's pretty cold. Temperature right here. Right there. It's gonna be off right here. Okay. You got it right here. Power. If you want it, you put the TV right here. Send TV. The one inside, you fit it right here, the bracket. And this is your audio, video, and your antenna. Your spare tire. This light is what I'm talking about. Inside, the switch is inside. You can raise that one out.
It's got a little strap right here.
Okay. Close it. Right.
It's right here.
You take this out. You put your sewer hose. This is your black water tank, and this is your gray water tank. So you pull it out. See it? And this, making sure that you pull it all the way out. Watch it, Nico. This open, and this close. Okay, when you finish, when you go into the tanks, make sure you open that one first, and then you open the gray water. So this help you to watch the sewer hose. Okay, right here you can put this cap off and put your sewer hose right there. Like I say, is right here is a 30 cord. Is the plug right here. This how you hook it out the power cord. You see that one right there? You hook it out your new one. Okay. You got the outside shower. Hot and cold. Watch it, Nico. Okay. All right, this is your city water collection right here. This is where you hook your water hose. Making sure you got the water pressure regulator to hook the water hose. This is your freshwater tank. You put your water hose right here to fill it out the freshwater tank if you need it. If you don't want to storage the water, it's right here. You can open this valve right here. This is your freshwater tank right here. All right. Right here is your water heater. You see this switch right here? This is switches for the working and electric. It go be on and electric right now, so I go leave it on. As soon as you plug it, try that in with power, your water heater is go working. Okay, you got a brand new battery right there. As you guess, the propane battery is full. This on and this off. Okay, this is right here. You have for the jack. If you don't want to do manually, you can raise it there one. Right there, and you can put the 3/4 drill right here on the socket and do it faster. Okay. The storage compartment right here. See the tube what I talk about? You get it right here. See, when you see the touch the ground, give it one more turn, and he said, don't put too much weight on it. Okay, just go up. Okay, so you got this one light right here. All right, and it's it. Any question, Nico?
No, sir.
Okay.
Mr. Booth, Nico from Cliff Jones RV. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks again.